Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Big up everybody who is subscribed to the channel as usual. Big up all our new subs them. Big up everybody who comment in the last video. Yeah man, me soon comment and everything. Right now, we almost reached 200 subs. I want to big up, for subscribe to the channel. You understand what I say? Today we're do something a little bit different still. I do the unboxing of a monitor. Hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're not subscribed yet, do remember to subscribe. Yeah man, hit the subscribe button. So come along with me and this and hope you enjoy it. Come along. Let's go. So basically as you can see, this is the unboxing of the HP monitor. And it's full HD IPS screen. So you don't know, so this I go show me the full colors when I edit. You don't know, so a long time I want to find something when I can edit. Because when I normally edit people's, I normally have to edit from my laptop and send the pictures straight to my phone. So now I can experience better editing. So as you can see, it's full with edge design, and as I mentioned earlier, it's HP monitor wide angle viewings. You understand? Yeah, me soon show another part there. You see it, yeah. Pretty nice monitor. And as you can see, it comes with a VGA and HDMI port. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna do the unboxing right now, as you can see. Alright. Take time to draw this out. So as you can see, it come well secure. So you can travel with it. I actually purchased mine in Kingston, a place that named Royal Computers. So you don't know, so I have to travel from Boston and something. So I like the packaging we come with. You see it, yeah. Alright. So basically as you can see what it come with. It come with the mount. This is the mount that you put for it to stand. It have a stand. So it can stand on your decks and your workspace. This. And it also come with this. This is like a elbow. So it goes together with it, hand in hand, to stand up. You understand? Yeah. I soon do all this setting up so you guys can see it. And you also get your port. This is the power port. And this is the port that you're gonna use to connect it straight to your laptop. For me. So basically, I'm try to tell you, say, the main reason why I buy the monitor is because I always edit on the laptop, but the laptop not giving me the right colors, so I normally have to send it straight to my mobile phone, and say that time consuming. So now I can just edit everything one place one time. So look out for a better editing style from Dex Media also. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm about to take out the monitor out of the box and show you what the inside is. Alright, so basically, wow, this is heavy. Alright, so basically as you can see, it comes with the foam thing. Yeah, foam. So you don't know, so when I travel with it, it make it safe and secure. Alright, I actually traveled all the way from Kingston to bring it here. A place that named Royal Computers. Yeah, and I get it on a very, very reasonable price. And yeah man. Alright, so actually this is what come inside. This is the output that you connect to the laptop. Because I'm gonna edit from my laptop same way. But the thing about it, I'm so excited to have this monitor because I don't know, so I'm gonna see the better colors now. Alright. So it come with this stand. so you don't know say it placed like this. And it also come with this elbow thing right here. Understand? Yeah. And it also come with this power cable. Yeah, it have a good little length also. Alright. So basically that's that. So this is the monitor right now. Yeah. As you can see, nice, clean. So you don't know say I'm at thing. Don't know say I'm gonna see the better colors now one time I edit and everything. Yeah. A long time I did want to buy something like this, but you don't know say the phones and something, so yeah, it take me a while to get one of these. I wish if I did have these when I just started photography also, because editing is very important and you need to be able to see the right pictures when you're editing. Yeah. That's how you would connect, just like that, and just put it straight to the power to get power to the monitor. And basically, this is a very important piece of cable right now. This is the one that will go straight to the laptop. This is the HDMI port, and you actually get it straight from out the box. So the place that you see HDMI, here you will just put it right in right here. Yeah. And then now you will just put this to the laptop. Yeah, this piece would go into the laptop. Very easy, because you actually will see the HDMI port in the laptop. So it's very easy. Alright, so basically you get an elbow. So this elbow right now will go yeah guys. Yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. And if you do enjoy this video, please remember to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on this. I soon do another tutorial on my workspace setup, so look out for that one. Yeah man, big up on yourself.